Happy Saturday, everyone. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with a real broker, and I help families buy and sell homes in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. Now, if that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at TD Selling St. Pete and we can go over some of your options. Today, I'm coming from the beautiful Margaritaville Resort here in Orlando, but even though I'm on vacation, I want to bring to your attention three beautiful waterfront homes, all under 1.5, that are newly listed as of this morning. So the first off, in North Reddington Beach, we have a great three-bedroom, two-bath, 1,783 square foot home listed with the Ambrosio Group, and Frank Ambrosio is the listing agent. This home, newly renovated, boasts about 324 feet of canal waterfront. Now, this home is located at the end of a cul-de-sac, so it gets the benefit of that curve around the water. So it's to your benefit. The boat dock that it homes, because most of the homes I talk about have boat docks, this one's elevated and also large enough to fit probably like a 40, 45 foot boat, but also a couple of jet skis if you are a water lover like I am. There's a heated in-ground pool, and the pool is close to the canal front, so you can actually cast a line from the pool and hopefully catch something. Grouper or salmon, as I'm told, is available. And this home's been listed for $1,350,000. Though it has an open floor plan, you have beautiful stone countertops in the kitchen. This home is a modern beauty, and there's no HOA in the community. So if you're looking for an opportunity to, host short-term or long-term rentals, if you're a snowbird, this is a beautiful property and a great option for you. Next, in Clearwater, we have a nice three-bedroom, two and a half bath. This one's slightly larger at 2,082 square feet. It's been listed with Century 21 Real Estate Champions, and Patty Gaskin is a listing agent. So this three-bed, two and a half bath has 160 feet of canal waterfront. Also, it has a boat lift, and it's been actually renovated, so this boat lift can house not only a boat, but as well as jet skis on top. You have beautiful views, obviously, to the Gulf of Mexico, and there's no bridges that you have to contend with if you have a boat, so you don't have to worry about stopping traffic in this property. So the home, as I mentioned before, has hardwood all throughout, beautifully a nice dark oak, and an open floor plan, so you have a nice great room combination with the kitchen. And this home, like I mentioned, is great for hosting. You have a pool, you have options for the deck, so kids can actually, the family, you bring people over for like barbecues. They can go on a kayak, they can jet ski, they can barbecue, and they can be in the pool, and they can be in the home if they don't want to be outside. This home gives you tons of options, and it's been listed for $1,499,800. Lastly, we have another we have a St. Petersburg home that's four beds, three baths, 2,410 square feet. It's the largest of all three. And again, in-ground pool, canal views, and you have for the listing agent actually is Gali Palbon, listed with the Charles Rutenberg Realty Group. This home for $1,450,000 boasts a great open floor plan. You have a fireplace. You have a nice open kitchen with stone countertops as well. It's pretty. Oh, sorry, a stone backsplash. That's the same stone in the kitchen that you have in the fireplace. So whoever redid it is actually thinking very logically because you have the same styling all throughout. So it's very beautiful. I mentioned, and the pool is covered. You have a nice lanai, so you're protected from the mosquitoes. The other two homes didn't, but that's not an option that is unavailable if you're looking for some contractors I could talk to you about. So yeah, so these homes have been hit the market this morning. They're all available for less than 1.5 million. And if these homes or others on the water of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. I'd love to get back to you. And have a great day. I'm going back on vacation.